Norwex is having a humongous towel sale. And it's not just bath towels. I'm actually going to show you everything that's on sale in this video. But first, why would you even want a Norwex towel? Number one, have you ever watched the Inside Edition investigation on what is growing inside standard towels? It's a must watch. A little scary. Norwex towels have silver in them. Silver is our backlock technology, so you're never going to have a stinky, smelly towel with Norwex because the silver is a natural antibacterial and a natural antimicrobial. They absorb extremely well. They fold compact. They're so luxurious. This is just one. They're so luxuriously soft. And I only have to wash them every 7 to 10 days. Talk about amazing. Let's start with kids. So first up, we have the baby body and face pack, which is a must if you have babies in the house. You use just water, removes bacteria and all the things that can happen, right? Also the kids body and face pack, which is in this beautiful colorway. Kids hooded towels, there's 2 color options. We have the 2 greens and they're hooded. They're such a great size. These are great for kids. I would say up to 7 or 8. They're awesome. And then we also have our kids towels, which are very plush. All of these are very plush and awesome. So the kids towels are a great size. They come in the blue with the orange trim and also yellow. We also have our bath towels. These are our original bath towels in solids, and there's multiple color options. They're wonderful size, and stripes. The stripes come in graphite and vanilla and teal and vanilla. Okay, let's talk about size reference on our standard towels. So I'm a size 10, 5'10", and here's how they fit me. Great length, great width. We also have hand towels to match every towel that I just shared. So these are our hand towels, great size, great for hanging on a towel bar or laying next to the sink. They also have a nice hang tag. Let's talk body and face cloths. This is what I've been using to wash my face for 5 years. So you can get all of our body and face cloths during the sale. You can get them as a pack of 3, or you can even upgrade and get all of those things that I just shared, the bath towel, the hand towel, and a 3-pack of body and face cloths at an even bigger discount with our towel sets that are also included on this sale. Color options for all of these. So these come in a 3-pack. This is Coastal. It has the blue. Then we have Tranquil, which has the purple. You can get them in the stripes, vanilla and graphite, or vanilla and teal, also matching towels. Solids, you can get the solid graphite and also ultra plush, which we will cover next. Let's talk about the ultra plush, the ultimate in softness. I love these. My husband loves them. So these come in 2 colors. You can get them during the sale. We have vanilla, which goes great with neutral or brownish bathrooms, or the graphite, which gives you a little bit more versatility for different colors in a bathroom. Okay, you can get these in the sale in the standard size bath towel, the extra large bath towel, matching hand towels, and the 3 packs of body and face cloths. So I'm going to show you the size difference for these 2 towels between the standard size and the extra large. Using my frame as a reference, this is your standard size towel and standard size ultra plush towel. Okay, now we have extra large. Look at this is a bath sheet, ladies. This is nothing but pure amazingness. And this is in the graphite color. So nice. Chenille hand towels are also available. These are a customer favorite. They're available in the sale. There's 8 different color options, including this embroidered bee, which I think is adorable. Your kids will never pull these off the towel bar. They will stay there forever. And I only wash mine once a month. They remove bacteria from the hands. They're amazing. And they're very stylish. Lots of color options to pick something that matches your bathroom. Here's an example of a Chenille hand towel hanging in my bathroom. Just hangs right onto that bar. No one can knock it off. And it removes bacteria from the hands. It is so nice. I love these. Just like the Chenille hand towel, we have a kids version. It's called the Pet to Dry. These also clip right onto your towel bar. They're awesome. My 3-year-old granddaughters actually carried these around as a baby doll. So we have the fox, a shark. How cute is he for Shark Week, right? Teachers, the kitten, mermaid, and there's also a dragon, an owl, and I think there's one more, but these are great. They remove bacteria from the hands, perfect for our littles, and they look great in a kid's bathroom, in a classroom. These make great teacher gifts, which I've used them for many times. All of our kitchen towels and kitchen cloths are also available in this sale. And if you know me or watch any of my videos, you know that I use the kitchen cloth to completely remove the need for chemicals in my kitchen. That's where we eat and cook, right? So you can get these individually if you just need one. You can get them as a set with a kitchen towel and a matching kitchen cloth, or you can get a trio of kitchen cloths. So lots of options, lots of different, these aren't the only colors. There's lots of color options and textures available in this sale. Let's go to the beach. Also, beach towel and kids beach towel, which is in this nice little turtle backpack, are in the sale. Adult or teenager size beach towel, so it's in this beautiful water tile print. Comes with the towel and the carrying pouch, which is especially handy if you have your phone, your keys, sunblock. This is water resistant, has a nice little zipper. So great little added bonus with this one. It's a really nice size, super absorbent. There was a time when I went to the beach on vacation with my whole family and I only remembered my towel, right? Bad mom. We all dried off with this towel. That's how absorbent it is. And here's what we're looking at for size reference. They're even pretty enough to wear around your waist and thin enough to wear as a sarong. Doesn't take a lot of room in your luggage either, which is a big win. Okay, now I'm going to show you the kids beach towel. So again, with the water tile print, great for a mommy and me matching, right? So it comes with this little backpack, which is great for the kids. It also has a mesh back. So I love this for finding seashells on the beach and all the fun things, carrying the toys to the beach. Now let's look at size for reference. So this is the kid size, which is a great size, super absorbent. This could be used for babies to preteens. And then we have the hood on here, which can be used or not, but folds nice and flat, which is great for when we're packing to go on vacation. I just love this. And last but not least, we cannot forget our fur babies. Now, if you have a bougie dog, this can also be a blanket. This is great for larger dogs like mine, or even small little Chihuahua-sized dogs. It removes bacteria, super absorbent, and both sides have these little pouches for our hands. And that's a wrap, y'all. Like, all the best towels in the world are on sale.